Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney, and I'm also the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro. And today I want to discuss a few good defenses, and in my opinion, the best defenses when you are faced with or under investigation for indecent exposure. Now, indecent exposure in California is prosecuted under Penal Code Section 314. And what that requires is that someone was exposed and was committing basically a lewd act and doing something to draw attention to their lewd act. So, it's a different situation. If someone's publicly urinating, that's not indecent exposure. A lot of times people say, how am I going to be a registered sex offender for the rest of my life when all I did was, take a leak in public? It's not going to get you charged with indecent exposure. But what will get you charged with indecent exposure are acts if someone's masturbating outside or if someone's masturbating in a vehicle. But the key there is, what, if anything, are they doing to draw attention to themselves? So let me give you an example. I represented an individual a couple of years ago, and they were charged with masturbating in a Walmart. Okay? Difficult case, just by the nature of it. You hear that, and it's like, oh, God, this is not going to be good. Get the video, we get the discovery. Undoubtedly, the client is masturbating up and down the aisles in Walmart. So what are we going to do with it? Well, a lot of people look at that and say, hey, dude, they got you on video. Time to plead. Time to plead guilty. Time to be a registered sex offender for the rest of your life. Time to go to jail for a couple of months. But what the key component is a lot of people don't read the law. A lot of people don't read what are actual defenses to the charge. And what the key defense in this case was, he wasn't doing anything to outwardly draw attention to himself. Meaning, he was outwardly masturbating, but only when there was no one else in the aisle. He would sort of look and peek around the corner, and if he saw someone there, he would not expose himself. Was it wrong? Yes. Was it lewd conduct in public that he was convicted of? Yes. Did that individual need help, and did he get that help? Absolutely, with the assistance of my firm. But it was not indecent exposure. It did not require him to register as a sex offender for the rest of his life. So that is a key component. The other element is, hey, it wasn't me. Mistaken identity. But for purposes of this video, the key component is make sure you hire a law firm that has experience defending against indecent exposure cases if you are in fact charged with indecent exposure. Should not be your attorney or their firm's first experiment on handling these types of cases when your freedom, your reputation, your ability to work, your ability to be around your family, to be around children, all of it's at stake when under investigation for indecent exposure. We encourage you to give my firm a call if you're facing similar type charges. 619-295-3555. We certainly have the experience, we certainly have the results, and we certainly hope to hear from you.